Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
How to color your hair naturally, without using chemicals. Hair color is important to women. That is why a huge percent of women around the world dye their hair. However, those hair dyes include dangerous chemicals, and although many women know that, they continue using store-bought hair dyes, about which studies have shown that can be carcinogenic. Fortunately, there are natural options for dyeing your hair without chemicals. You can learn a few homemade and simple mixtures to color your hair, and they are extremely easy to prepare. Natural recipes for coloring hair. Recipe for red hair: beet or carrot juice. There is no need to use harmful chemicals from hair dyes when you have carrots or beets. Needed ingredients: beet juice. Also, you can add carrot juice. Whipped coconut oil. After you combine the coconut oil and beet juice, apply the mixture to your hair. Then, use a plastic wrap to cover it and let it stay for 60 minutes. Wash off as usual and apply condition at the end. For golden blonde hair: chamomile. Needed ingredients: 8 tablespoons of chamomile, 300 milliliters of water, lemon juice. Put the dried chamomile flowers in a pot and pour the hot water over them. Heat the mixture for 15 minutes, and when it cools off, strain it. Add the lemon juice at the end. Apply the resulted mixture on your hair and comb it. Now it needs to dry off. You will achieve better results if you stay in the sun to dry it. Then, rinse your hair as usual. For dark brown color: walnut hulls. First, crush the walnuts and take a pot. Put the hulls in it and cover them with water. Let the mixture boil for 30 minutes minimum. When it cools off, soak your hair in the mixture for 20 minutes. Don't massage it into the scalp too much. Recipe for gray hair: onion peel. Pour a glass of boiling water over half a glass of onion peels. Let it sit for 20 minutes and cover the glass so the heat cannot get out. Next, use gauze to strain the mixture from the onion peels. Then, add 2 tablespoons of glycerol to the mixture. Use this mixture on your hair every day until you get the desired effect. Rub it into your hair, rinse it as usual and let it dry naturally.